Okay, so after creating sign up form section, we will create this about us section. For this, I will add a new section. Click on this plus button and then click on regular section. I will not add any row yet. First I will edit the section. Simply I will go to sizing and the spacing of this section, and I will add 80 pixels of padding on top and bottom. Now click on this tick button, click on this plus button and add a 2-column row. Now here I will add a code module. Now scroll down, go to backgrounds, click on background image and then click on this add image. Now I will select this background image, click on upload an image. This image is similar to this image. Now go back to your page, go to design. In sizing, give it the height of 500 pixels. Now scroll down and go to animation. Give it a fold animation to the center. Now go to advanced, open custom CSS and add in main element CSS code. You can find this code in the description below. Now click on this tick button, click on this gray plus icon and add another code module. Now scroll down, go to background. Here I will add a color background. Click on this pencil icon and add your color code. After adding color, click on this tick button. Now go to design. In sizing, give it the width of 100% and the minimum height of 500 pixels. Now here you can see it appears like that. Now go to advanced, custom CSS and add similar code here. Now collapse this CSS section and go to position. Give it the position of absolute and it will appear like that. Now we will give it a horizontal offset to -15 pixels and z-index to -1. Now go back to design. In transform, go to rotate and give it the rotation of 330 degree. Now I am done with this section. Click on this tick button and go to second column. Now here you can see I have added this about us at the top of my about us section. So go back, I will add a text module. Select this module, add your text. I will add about us. Now go to design. In text, I will give it the font of Roboto. Leave it to regular and make it uppercase. So it will appear like that. Now here I will change the text color. Click on this pencil icon and change the color. Now click on this tick button and the color was changed. Now go back to content. In background, I will add a background color here. Now click on this tick button. Here you can see you have a background color now. Go back to design, text settings. I will make it 16 pixels and line height of 1.8 em. Now go to spacing and give it the padding of 8 pixels on top and bottom and 15 pixels on left and right. Now go to advanced, open custom CSS and add this CSS code in main element. You can also find this code in the description below. Now click on this tick button, hover over here and click on this plus icon. Now add another text module. Now add your heading here. I have added this text. Now I will change the HTML tag to heading 2. Now go to design. In heading text, go to H2 tab, change the font. I will make it Roboto. Leave it regular. Add underline. You can change its color. I will make it dark black and I will also change its size to 28 pixels. Now in spacing, I will add 20 pixels to the bottom. Now click on this tick button, hover over here and click on this plus button. Add another text module. Add your text here. Now go to design. In text, I will change its size, its font to Roboto. Scroll down. Here I will change its size to 15 pixels and line height to 1.5 em. Now go to spacing and give it the bottom margin of 20 pixels. Now click on this tick button, click on this gray icon and I will now add a bar counter. Now first I will go to design. In spacing I will add 50 pixels of bottom margin. Now go back to content, click on this gear button to edit this bar and here you can add title. I will add plus web app development and here I will add percentage of 95%. Now go to design. Here in bar you can change the bar counter color. Click on this pencil icon and paste your color code here and paste your color code here. Click on this tick button. Now I will go to title text, change its color to dark black and size to 14 pixels. I will make its line height to 1.8 em. Now go to sizing and I will make its height to 5 pixels. Now go to border and add 8 pixels of border on 4 sides. Now click on this tick button and duplicate this bar. Click on this duplicate button, click on this gear icon to change and edit the bar. I will change the percentage to 85%. Now click on this tick button. Now let's take a look to the demo site. As you can see at the end we have a button. So go back to editor, click on this plus icon and add a button module. Now here I will add text, our team. Now go to design and then go to button section. Here use custom style for button. Enable it, change its size to 16 pixels. Now under this you can change the button color. I will enable hover and make the text color to the white on hover and desktop view. Now in button background I will again enable hover. For hover I will make it red and for the desktop view I will make it blue. Now go to border color, enable hover and give it the same color as background. Now scroll down. Here you have show button icon. I will select this icon. Now scroll down. Only show icon on hover for button. I will disable this one, so it will appear like that. Now for the final step I will go to spacing. Give it the padding of 7 pixels to the top and bottom, 25 pixels on the left side and 45 pixels on the right side. Now click on this tick button, hover over the button, it will appear like that. Now compare it to the demo site. Here you can see, here just I have used dummy text and here I have added the text. Now it looks similar to the demo site. Now in next video I will show you how you can add this icon boxes to your page, where I will show you our expertise.